Good morning, children. Welcome to our Hindi class. In my previous class, I explained you how to write the letters from Ka to Gna. Let me recall the letters and connected words again. Look at this letter. What is this letter? Look at this. What is this letter? It is Ka. Ka. Ka से कप. CUP कप. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कप बोलते हैं. इंग्लिश में CUP कप बोलते हैं. ओके, बोथ आर सेम. का से कप. CUP कप. का से कबूतर. पिजियन. का से कबूतर. पिजियन. The next letter is ख. ख. What is this letter? ख. Pronounce it again. ख. The sound should come from the stomach. ख. का से खरगोश. रैबिट. खा से खरगोश. रैबिट. का से खटमल. बेड बग. खा से खटमल. बेड बग. गा. गा से गधा. डोंकी. गा. Look at this letter. What is this letter? Ga. Ga से गधा. डोंकी. गधा. डोंकी. DONKEY. डोंकी. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? गधा बोलते हैं. गधा. गधा. डोंकी. गमला. फ्लावर पॉट. गमला. गमला. फ्लावर पॉट. का से गमला. फ्लावर पॉट. कौन सा लेटर है? देखो ये वाला कौन सा लेटर है? व्हाट इज दिस लेटर? पहचानो. आइडेंटिफाई दिस लेटर. व्हाट इज दिस लेटर? ग. ग. रीड. ग. ओके. गा से गधा. डोंकी. गा से गमला. फ्लावर पॉट. व्हाट इज दिस लेटर? घ. 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 खा से घर. खा से घर. गा से घर. हाउस. घा से घोड़ा. हॉर्स. घ. घ. लुक एट दिस लेटर. दिस इज घ. घ से घर. हाउस. खा से घोड़ा. हॉर्स. घोड़ा. हॉर्स. दिस लेटर na. Gna. Na. Look at this. This is ka. This is kha. This is ga. This is gha. Na. Now I will write all the 5 letters together. Look at here. The first letter is ka. Standing line. Small curve connecting like this over the letter right. Sleeping line. Ka. The second one is, look at here. Look at here. Like to write. Small curve connecting that curve with this one. Ka. What is this? Ka. The next one is standing line should go like this and side of the letter right like this over the letter right. Sleeping line. Gha. The next one, left curve connecting with another left curve, connecting both the curves with the standing line over the letter right. Sleeping line. Gha. Next one like E only. Standing line small, left curve connecting with the right curve, side of the letter right a dot, over the letter right. Sleeping line. ना. और एक बार मैं लिखते देखो ध्यान से. Small standing line, side of that right like this, The next one, like to write, small curve connecting with a standing line over the letter right, sleeping line. K. Next one, standing line should write like this, side of the letter right, standing line, write this. Ga. The next one, left curve connecting the left curve with another left curve, both are connecting with a standing line over the letter right, sleeping line. The next one is like you only, small standing line connecting to left curve, connecting the left curve to the right curve in this way, side of the letter right, dot over the letter right like this. In this way you have to practice at least 6 times. Small curve like this, ka. Like number 2 should write like this, connecting in this way, ka. Next one, standing line should go like this, side standing line right over the letter right, sleeping line, ga. Left curve connecting the left curve with another right left curve, both are connecting by a standing line over the letter right, sleeping line, ga. Standing line, left curve connecting to the left right curve, side of the letter right, small dot over the letter right, sleeping line, gna. Ka. K. G. G. Gna. In this way write at least 6 to 7 times. Okay, in between 2 letters leave a line. Okay, how many letters are there? Total 5 letters. Look at this, K, K, G, G, Gna.